how you can print a map in Google Maps. So firstly, open your Google Maps and find a map or location which you want to print. For example, I'm gonna print this location. So on the left, we want to click these three lines, and on the left should be option print. So if you are on Mac or Windows, this option should be here. So click print. Now this top menu bar or top line will appear. You can enter notes here, and you are no longer able to move your map. You have to use these arrows in right upper corner area. You can zoom out or zoom in. Make sure to place that location which you want to print, and now simply click print. It's gonna preview that Google Maps map. You can scroll down, scroll up, and it's gonna look like this. Then you can simply save it and print it like you want. If you are on Mac, for example, you can use another method. If you are in Google Maps, you can click on File, and down here is Print, which is Command plus P. Click it, and you're gonna see here print option, that map, and you can simply save it and print it. So that's basically how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video, and see you next time.